Welcome back, dear student. Earlier we have done code and conduct and behavior rules for student. First 10 rules we already done. Today we are doing 11 to 15. So rule of 11, the school will not be responsible for loss of books, money and other valuable brought by you to the school. However, every efforts will be made to recover the things lost. If reported to the class teachers or the principal immediately. So dear student, if you lost your books and other valuable things which you brought in school, then you are responsible for that, and you also made to recover the things you reported to your class teacher or principal. So 12, you are expected to be polite, courteous, respectful and well disciplined inside and outside the school. So you must take care of your school property. No student should scratch on, spoil any school furniture or write or draw lines on the walls or in any other manner damage things belonging to others. Damage done even by accident, either by you or by anyone else, should be reported at once to the class teacher or to the principal. Any damage done will have to be made good, either individually or collectively. Made good. So, number 14. It is compulsory for all children are converse in English, as the CBSE syllabus stresses on students' competence to speak confidently and frequently in English. A student must speak in decent language of the school. He must ensure that his speech is courteous and polite. No student should participate in any kind of rumor spreading and should refrain from speaking ill about others. So dear student, the last not least 15, buying eatable from street vendor is strictly forbidden outside the school premises. You never purchase anything from outside when you are in the school timing. So dear student, you note down these 5 rules 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 in your notebook. I am sending one worksheet along with this. So you note down this in your moral value books. Now, end of this. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, drink lot of water and good day.